Doc's Place, Central and Camelback, special VIP packages. This is gonna be real, real nice. You don't wanna miss this one, y'all. If y'all squared out and missed the first two, don't miss part 3. Shouts out to Disha, the last winner. Shouts out to our guest judges, Home Base Entertainment, HB, Miss Wisdom.
I'm going insane over you. Lightning could strike me twice as long as it never rains over you.
Show up early because it's gonna be packed.
We're all born supernatural, and right now I just want to get closer